Want to automatically add new RSS feed items into an Airtable base? In this video, I'll show you how to connect RSS app, n8n, and Airtable so your database updates itself every time new content is published. Let's get started. Open RSS.app and paste your RSS feed into the generator, or paste the URL of any website you want to track, and RSS app will instantly create an RSS feed for you. Click Save to My Feeds. Then you can customize your feed however you like. Add filters to hide duplicates, include or exclude posts by keyword, or combine multiple feeds into a bundle. If you want the image URL to appear in Airtable, open the Feed Output tab and enable Include Images in the enclosure. Once your feed is ready, copy the feed URL. We'll use it in n8n. Now, open n8n, create a new workflow, and search for the RSS Feed Trigger node. Paste your RSS app feed URL into the node and choose how often n8n should check for new items. Click Fetch Test Event to make sure it's pulling in your latest feed entries correctly. Then, click the plus button, search for Airtable, and choose the Create Record operation. Open the Credentials tab and follow the n8n docs to connect your Airtable account. Open the Builder Hub, create a new token, give it a name, and add these scopes. Data records, read. Data records, write. Schema bases, read. Under Access, click Add a Base and select the base you want n8n to work with. Copy the token and paste it in n8n, then save. Now you can choose the base and the table you want to use. Add the fields you want to fill in. For example, date, link, title, summary. Map each field by dragging the RSS field detail from the left panel into the corresponding Airtable field. If your Airtable base includes single select or multi-select fields, you can enter the values you want assigned to every new record. Click Execute Step. You should immediately see new test data appear in your Airtable base. Once everything looks correct, toggle the workflow switch from inactive to active. Now, every time a new item is found in your RSS feed, n8n will automatically add it as a new record in Airtable. You can then use your Airtable base as a full content hub, assign statuses, track whether content has been repurposed or archived, organize which channels it's being sent to, manage priority, or build automations directly on top of it. Start automating with RSS app today.